Exercise is wonderful. I absolutely love it. I'm one of those people that if you let me, I would move all day long,
Mhm.
but it is a stressor and you can overdo it. And so, number one, I was definitely overdoing it. So, I was doing a lot of high intensity work at that time. Because I was teaching classes, training, and then doing my own workouts. So, I definitely overdid it with the exercise. And then I was under recovered. I was not taking the time to recover from all the workouts. So my body was just, there was no hypertrophy. I was breaking down muscle. I would also say that I probably was not hydrated enough.
Yeah.
That's always been something I always have to work on. And I will also say the other thing is during that time, I was probably a lot more in tune with tracking my macros because I did coach a lot of people on that. And because I was trying to fit those macros, I did eat a lot of processed food, a lot of packaged food because it was easy.